Hi, my name is Matt and I'm a member of the team at Cymru Creations, a non-profit company based in Tredegar, South Wales. Today I'm going to be talking about an idea which began developing back in 2014. Kevin Phillips, manager at Cymru Creations, spent time visiting different cities whilst on location across America. These included New York, San Francisco and Los Angeles. During his time, he was very shocked to find that there were so many tourist areas that had an influx of homeless people. Kevin talked to many of the homeless, asking about their experiences, and documented these with photos. Upon arriving back to the UK, we decided to think of a plan to help the homeless across the UK and promote awareness through the photos that were taken in the US. This project has been named No Place to Call Home. Our goal for our project No Place to Call Home is to utilise the photos to promote the awareness of the homeless people in towns and cities. To do this, we are looking to put on an exhibition to showcase the photos and personal stories. We also want to have direct contact with the homeless people living on the streets, providing aid packages personally delivered by ourselves to the homeless communities. We will be working in close connection with a local charity in Tredegar, Chloe's Cupboard, and other charities up and down the UK, including Walking the Breadline, Birmingham Homeless Outreach, Homeless Direct, and Valleys Homeless Outreach. We're hoping to raise at least £1,500, but we need your help. Without the £1,500, we cannot secure the location needed for the exhibition show, the appropriate transportation to deliver aid packages, or the funding costs for manual labour. The more money we raise, the more good we can do. On behalf of myself and the team, thank you very much for taking the time to view our project and for any generous donations you can give us to run this worthwhile project.